Hey everyone, welcome to the PD Knob channel. Need to extract data from a screenshot or photo and turn it into an Excel spreadsheet? Typing all the data manually takes a lot of time, and copy-pasting usually ruins the formatting. Don't worry, today I'll show you 2 quick methods to convert images into Excel in just 1 minute. The first method is using AI. Before uploading your image, keep in mind that online AI tools may expose your private data or store your uploaded files. So for private information like invoices or financial records, using the second method is a safer choice. Now let's get started. Open an AI tool that supports image uploads, like ChatGPT, Gemini. Then upload your image file. After uploading, enter a prompt like, "Extract all data from this image and convert it into an Excel spreadsheet." The AI will analyze the image, identify the text and table layout, and generate an Excel-style result. As you can see, the data has now been extracted from the image and exported to Excel while keeping the original formatting and structure accurate. The second method is using a dedicated converter. For sensitive documents, a desktop converter is a better choice. It keeps your files on your device instead of uploading them online. PD Knob is a great option for this. It's an all-in-one document solution that helps you convert files between different formats, extract text with OCR, and manage your documents easily. Simply open PD Knob, then drag and drop your image file into the program. After uploading the image, choose the conversion option and select Excel as the output format. Then, click Enable OCR. OCR helps recognize text and data from images, turning image-based content into editable information. Once the OCR process is complete, PD Knob will automatically recognize the data from the image and convert it into an editable Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, the image data has been successfully converted into an Excel file and keeping the table structure and formatting accurate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.